right place. Hi everybody, I'm Corny Repple from Mix 96, and I'm very excited. And this is my friend Derek from A&W. Everybody say hi, Derek! 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, well I gotta go with him.
If they're not wrapped in foil, they're not chocolate.
Oh, the little one.
Look at the people that are dropping eggs.
Yeah.
As the sun gets higher in the sky, it gets warmer and warmer and warmer. It won't be long.
We're gonna do another hunt with the eggs that we saved. Are you ready? Let me hear you say yeah! 3, 2, 1, go!
Good job. Got the little legs.
This was absolutely incredible.
Amazing.
I had so much fun.
I have to do this next year.
Oh yeah.